This is about Troy Davis, who's been on death row in Georgia, USA for 18 years since being sentenced to death for the murder of a police officer at a Burger King in Savannah, Georgia, a murder he maintains he did not commit.
There was no physical evidence brought against him in the trial, and the weapon used in the crime was never found.
The case against him consisted entirely of witness testimony, which contains inconsistencies even at the time of the trial.
Since then, all but 2 of the state's non-police witnesses from the trial have recanted or contradicted their testimony.
Many of these witnesses have stated in sworn affidavits that they were pressured or coerced by police into testifying or signing statements against Troy Davis.
One of the 2 witnesses who has not recanted his testimony is the principal alternative suspect, according to the defence, against whom there is new evidence implicating him as the gunman. 9 individuals have signed affidavits implicating this man as the killer, not Davis.
Restrictions on federal appeals have prevented Troy Anthony Davis from having a hearing in federal court on the reliability of the witness testimony used against him, despite the fact that most of the witnesses have since recanted.
If Troy Davis's request had been granted by the court, he would have had the opportunity to ask for an evidentiary hearing. An evidentiary hearing would allow the witnesses to be heard and examined in a court of law, which is what Davis has asked for all along.
Troy Davis remains on Georgia death row. His last day of execution expires May 16th, and he may be scheduled for execution in the near future.
The Georgia Board of Pardon and Paroles has voted to deny clemency, yet the Governor of Georgia, Governor Perdue, can still exercise leadership to ensure that Troy's death sentence is commuted.
For more information about Troy Davis and for details of how to email Gov Perdue, go to the Amnesty USA website.